Hello, this is George Senda, the official, the original, the real, the authentic, the one, the only, the guy from Pittsburgh, except no cheesy YouTube commentators, imposters, trolls, chief complainers, or gray alien artiste who will report my Amazon purchase to Liggett and Myers, if they're still around. All right. This is the second drawer, and I had no idea these things were as big as they were until I looked at them in the bedroom. There's a huge scratch on the front of this thing, which I may be able to sand out or something. And that's very distressing. The wood is scratched right off. And I could not do this live because of my breathing issues and the other problem. Actually, two other problems. This part of the wood here is misaligned. Now, I managed with great difficulty. Maybe that's why you need the mallet. Or maybe you use it on whoever designed this thing because they designed it wrong. It's off-center. So I had great difficulty assembling it. The one side is off. There are chips to the wood broken off. That's how it arrived. And then the other problem is the casters. They give you screws for this, which you have a superfluity of. You have more screws and oh great. I use the other screws. They're too long, and they have put big holes in the wood to put the casters on, so I will have to see if I have smaller. No, they're off-center. So now they've put holes in the wood. They didn't go in right. More fun. So that's distressing. I hate doing an inept job. Apparently, all of them are at least, they're all off. God, nobody will see this but me, but it splintered the wood. This one very badly. So now I have more work to do. I'll have to pull these, wherever they're damaged, and redo them. And, I'll have to complain to the company and say I'd like a partial refund because your whole deal here is defective. I'm not going to send it back. I've assembled the damn thing. Yeah, this didn't go into the wood properly because it's off-center. Also, it would be very hard to return this entire thing because I threw away the box. So, take this screw out. Now it's way off. And it shouldn't be way off, and it shouldn't be going through the wood. This is most annoying and aggravating in any other word I could choose to use. And it also should not be going through the wood. That may be why you need the mallet. But you shouldn't have to have a mallet. The other side is centered properly, but there, I got that in. But it's still off-center. So I will see if they give me a financial adjustment for this. And for now, since I have to go feed the cats, and the other annoying thing, of course, these screws. Oh, this screw went, now after I tried it, went all the way through. So this is ridiculous. There's not even any wood anymore. wood is, I don't know. Push that back out. If it will push. Mama Cat is impatient for her wet food. I'll get out there in a minute, Mama Cat. This is... The screw comes out. I'll try this one more time. Maybe. And also because I don't have proper facilities, proper lighting, proper workshop, proper workbench, I had to do this in low light conditions. Now that screw goes straight through. There's no wood there. The wood is gone, so that's aggravating. I'll just take the screw out. There is wood glue, or I can look for shorter screws and see if I can take the screw out and glue the thing in. I have the money. So they gave me about 6 more of these and not enough caster screws. They're missing caster screws. But, oh, this damn thing is, oh, don't hit myself on the head or the eye, George. It's missing 1 screw here. And it's missing 1 here, and it's missing 1 here, and yet they gave me too many of these screws that go through the wood. So, and there's big wood scratches. Now, some of that may be by putting the other things on there, but I don't think so. Putting the metal things on there, and the other pieces of wood, but, or, I'll take this screw that would not fit in the thing and put it in the caster. So this is not live, and I apologize, but so it goes. I have a whole drawer. I have little former medicine bottles of extra screws in the drawer. So I will see what I can find. And the other problem, of course, is screws want to wiggle out of the hole. There's enough wood backing on these, I call them bricks, underneath the casters that the screws will not strip through the wood that lies underneath them. But they gave silver screws and these long screws, and they're not really supposed to be the same right screws, so I don't think that's going to do it. Maybe. It will suffice for the moment. If it doesn't go through all the way. Okay. I have 4 screws there, 4 screws, the bastardized. Two different kinds of screws. I wind up with missing 1 screw hole, 1 screw, and several screws that stripped through the wood, or went through the wood. Gouged the wood out in 1, 2, 3. Oh, jeez. 4, 5 places. Now the other one didn't do this. So it wasn't misaligned though. All right, that's it for this one. It's going to go in the bedroom. And to give you an idea of where it would go, it's going to take up the entire length of where the bedding is now, because there are two of them. I'll try to repair this as much as I can. And then this goes under. Actually, I've got the wrong way. I also have issues that I cannot see well out of my right eye. And I have not made the bed. I woke up several times today coughing. Up. Hold on. Wish I could get that to stop going to sleep. Anyway, this will go. I'll have to get something to sand that down and fill it in. I really want this to look as nice as possible. And this will go there. And the other one will go there once Kathy is coming tomorrow. And once we, hopefully, Boost Infinite delivered a Boost Infinite SIM card to her house. So I'm going to give those turkeys one more try. Then I give up. So this will go there, the other one will go there, the futon frame will go there. I may have to move all this, I don't know yet, but if it gets everything off the floor and leaves me enough room to get up, and hopefully my mattress is large enough to fit in it, or not too big, I don't know yet. And this took me, because of the misalignment problem, that's why I could not, the other reason I couldn't do it live, and I wasn't feeling very well because of breathing issues, and my shoulder is still sore. Hour and a half to let the wheels roll, and so this is done. And assembling the futon frame drawers. The casters all turn. I don't know what the locking means. Oh, that just means the wheel can't move. Okay. And I'll have to double check. But here's a screw I dropped. So I have one screw left. Let's put that in for complete. It fell out of my hand. So let's put the last screw in. They're supposed to be silver screws, not these long brass looking things. Where's the last screw? Let me complete this. And then I can put this thing in the bedroom somewhere. No, that's got 3 there. And that's got... I guess I have 1 extra screw. But I have brass colored screws and silver colored screws. I thought I was... So I'm going to take one of these brass out. And put the one silver in. Now, try to go get... I'll go to Home Depot and have the time in January. And I don't get my 29th. Computer, what day is the 29th?
The next occurrence of the 29th is Friday, December 29th.
Yeah, I will not have time because the buses only run like once an hour, and then you have to wait an hour out in the cold for the bus. I won't have time to go to Home Depot before New Year's. So after, I'll take one of these screws out and go to Home Depot and say, this is what I need for this. And oh, another thing, the wood here on the corner that's misaligned is also chipped. And there's no way I could have done that by just stacking boards on top of each other. It's the way this thing arrived. So, oh, ginnies. See, I would like an adjustment because I'll accept it. I've assembled the drawers. But it doesn't look like it should. And then I have all these things. I have no idea yet. Oh yeah, the one thing I was amused by the so-called instructions. It said, do not insert these in the holes until instructed to do so. And I'm going, who is the instructor? there's no one to tell me whether, hey, you, stop putting that in there. So I have all these extra pieces, which I am not certain if they are supposed to go in the 2 drawers, which are now done. I'd say 99% done. Or if these round things, I'm not doing that right, and these post-like things, and there's still a box of parts over there, and of course we have one extra screw. I'm not sure what these are for next. I haven't gone that far yet. I haven't even looked at the Futon frame assembly yet. So I have an empty pill bottle over there. I'm going to go put the, rather than have these dumped in the box and scattered all over hill, I'm going to put these in the pill bottle so I have them in one spot. So this is an hour and a half of work, but it's very distressing. I have a huge gouge here to have these things stripping the wood out or gouging the wood out. I can pull them back, and with some liquid wood I can probably fix the damage so no one but me will know it. But it's annoying. I wouldn't have something that would last for years. So it goes. Alright, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great night. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be. It rained here today while I was sleeping. It's going to rain tomorrow and Tuesday, and then no rain, and then more rain next weekend. Stay warm, stay safe, have a warm beverage. And remember, you can join the channel for $3.99 or $6.99 a month, where you see content nowhere else, not on the regular channel, and nowhere else, like a man stripping out the wood because the wood is misaligned. Or the screws are too long, or the screws are the wrong screws. And the man here, George Senda, gets screwed. So, all right, that's it for this one. Have a good night. Thanks for watching. Click the like button, and I'll catch you next time. And watch the drawers. This is drawer number 2, semi-completed. And tomorrow we'll be stripping the bedding, and after I make a couple of phone calls, which wastes, frankly, Boost Infinite takes at least an hour to talk to the final person you get, which is outrageous. Then we will work on assembling. If I can get the 2 pieces together and the rod that pivots the futon frame from bed to couch, or whatever you want to call it, I don't need Kathy for the rest. The rod will attach to 2 metal points, and I'll have to finish it on my own. So, but she's coming over tomorrow. All right, that's it for this one. Have a great night. Stay safe, and thanks for watching. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Bye-bye for now.